Okay, so I decided I'm going to make a quick video on how to do these masks assembly line because they're really, really easy and you don't have to use the iron, you don't have to plan pleats, you don't have to do anything. You end up with a comfortable to wear with the filter pocket, and they're quick and easy to sew, and the assembly line process makes it so that you can do a lot of them really quick. So this is what they're going to look like. They're very adaptable to anybody as far as sizing goes, other than, you know, little kids, but women, men, whatever. So there you go. The first thing that you want to do for the ties is you're going to use men's shirts, and you're going to take the hem off, cut the hem off, and then you're going to cut up the sides on both sides all the way up to the sleeves. I'm just going to do a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. And then you're going to just take, and these don't have to be perfect, but you're going to go with what is going to be at least a good inch. So you want about an inch, inch and an eighth, and you're just going to cut it. This is 4 layers thick. My scissors are dull, but you're just going to cut these. And if you do it too, or if you have good scissors, it's going to go a lot faster. But right here, you're going to have ties. And I sit and watch TV and do all these shirts. You can get about 20 masks out of one shirt or more. When you cut them, then you're going to open it up and you're going to pull them, and you have 2 ties right there. So like I said, I have a bunch cut. The next thing is you want your patterns. So if you take 8.5 by 11 paper, you want the outside pattern to end up being 8.5 by 10. So cut 1 inch off of your 8.5 by 11 paper, and you have the pattern for the outside. Your inside pattern, you want 7.5 by 9. So you're going to take 2 inches off of the side over here, 1 inch off of here. So what you're going to end up with is you're going to end up with your inside patterns right here, your outside patterns right here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make one of them just to show the process, and then I'm going to do 3 in a row to show you how to do them assembly line. So first off, we're going to do 1. So what you want to do is put your top piece face up, this one face down, and you're going to do it so that it sits inside all the way down here even, but inside here and inside here. And then you're going to sew it. So that's step 1. Now in assembly line, you would continue and do 10 or 20 of those just like that. Then when you get them done, you're going to take and open it out with the inside up, and you're going to fold this down once and sew it. And again, if you were doing 10 or 20, you would just continue sewing them. And then you're going to do the same thing on this one, only you're going to sew it. You're going to turn it twice so it's completely a finished edge. Turn it twice and hem it. Now, you're going to take this and run it along the end of your table, and it folds it. Make sure your white part is on the inside, and have it look like that. Get 2 of your straps, put them on your lap, find about the middle of the strap, put it in about the middle of this, and turn it once, turn it twice. Make sure that it's on the inside. Make sure that when you sew this casing, you don't catch the strap. You don't want to sew the strap. You just want to turn this over with that strap pulled in there. You can feel that it's not along there. And then from this side, you're going to do the same thing. Find about the middle, put it in there, turn this, Make sure not to catch it. And then you just want to trim your threads off. Take this, pull it,
now put it on.
and there's your mask. I don't want to put it on.
That's pretty awesome. That was 5 minutes and 40 seconds.
Explaining the pattern and everything. Oh, and I didn't do my hair.